Alright, Science Explorers, welcome back to another science lesson with Miss Hines. Now, we're going to do a quick review again, just like we did last time, on some of the things that we've learned. So, we know that plants need 5 things in order to grow. Soil, water, sunlight, wind, and lots of space. Great job. Then we moved on to the different parts of the plant. Now we know the first part of the plant that grows are the roots. The roots grow down into the soil and they anchor the plant in place so that when the second part of the plant grows, and we know the second part of the plant is the green bit here called the stem. When the second part of the plant grows, the roots are going to make sure that it stays in place so it doesn't fall over. We also know that when it rains, the roots soak up the water and the nutrients from in the soil and they take it up into the stem. Now, we're going to move on to the third part of the plant today, and the third part that we are learning about is called the leaves. Now, this bit here is what we call the leaf. Can you say that word for me? Leaves. Great job. Say it one more time. Leaves. I'm going to put my label on now. All right. So we know the first part that grows are the roots. The second part that grows is the stem. And the third part that grows are the leaves. Now, we're going to learn something interesting about leaves. Did you know that leaves also make food for the plant? So, when outside is nice and sunny, the leaves face the sunlight and they soak it in. That helps the plant with a process called photosynthesis. Can you say that? It's a big word, but I know you can try. Say it. Photosynthesis. Great job. Try it one more time. Let's go. Photosynthesis. Now, photosynthesis is a very interesting process for the plant. It only happens in the leaves. So it only happens in this part of the plant here. Okay? So for photosynthesis, that is when the plant takes in carbon dioxide. So when you breathe out, you're breathing out something called carbon dioxide. The leaves on a plant take in the carbon dioxide and they also take in the sunlight from the sun. That process is called photosynthesis. That helps the plant to make food. Did you also know that the leaves on a plant help provide us with something called oxygen? So when you take a deep breath in, let's go. You're taking in oxygen from the plants. And when you let the air out, you're letting out something called carbon dioxide, and the leaves on the plants soak it in to help make food. So we help the plants to grow and the plants help us to breathe. That's a pretty interesting fact. Now, I want you to become a science explorer now, and you're gonna have to have fun with it. Go out into your garden and I want you to look around as much as possible. Look at all the different plants. Go and look at the stem, go and look at the leaves. I want you to look at those leaves carefully and see, are all the leaves in your garden green or are some of them different colors? Now, when you're finished being a science explorer, I want you to come back inside, and then I want you to get your worksheet and you are going to color your leaves in your picture. Now, Miss Hines did a little exploring and my garden only has green leaves, so I colored my leaves in green. But if you found a plant in your garden that has a different color leaf, maybe it could be red, maybe it could be yellow, maybe it's even 2 different colors. If you want to choose a plant that has a different color leaf, you can color your leaves in your picture in that color. Make sure you send me pictures and videos because I really want to see what you went exploring today. Okay? I hope you guys have fun with it. Bye.